OnePlus has started teasing the upcoming launch of the OnePlus 12 smartphone in China. So far, the teasers have confirmed that the smartphone will feature a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 along with an X1 Oriental screen by BOE. Additionally, a new certification has hinted that the global market can expect the smartphone sooner than usual. As we know, OnePlus usually launches its flagship smartphone in China along with the Indian market. Other global regions get the device at a later date. However, an IMDA certification spotted by tipster Mukul Sharma hints at an earlier than expected launch for Singapore. The listing reveals that the OnePlus 12 bears the model number CPH2581. A OnePlus 12 device featuring the same model number has also emerged on Geekbench recently. According to leaks and speculations, the OnePlus 12 is anticipated to maintain the same design as its predecessor. The device has already been confirmed to sport a 6.82-inch curved OLED display featuring a BOE X1 panel. This display boasts a 2K resolution, a smooth 120Hz LTPO refresh rate, and an impressive peak brightness of 2600 nits. Camera-wise, it's rumored to house a 50-megapixel sensor with optical image stabilization of 48 megapixels ultra-wide-angle lens, and a powerful 64 megapixels periscope unit, promising top-tier photography capabilities. Powering the device will be a robust 5400 mAh battery, which supports fast 100-watt wired charging and efficient 50-watt wireless charging. Furthermore, the phone is expected to have a USB 3.2 port for seamless data transfer.